going on, guys? Starting a video off today at Summit Racing. So you already should know what we're here for. I did have my wheels come in already, so I did order a set of wheels from the last video. I'm not gonna say which wheels I got exactly, but I did mention them in the last video. They were mentioned in the last video, so I'll let you guys think of what they are. Right now I gotta pick up some tires. I'm still trying to debate on what size I want to go with, but I think I'm gonna go with a 305 35/18 or 315 35/18, one or the other. I'm gonna check some different tire sizes, but I am here at Summit. There's a badass little OBS single cab truck right there. You don't see too many clean single cab trucks, man, but I do like that one. It's pretty clean. But now let's head in here. Let's check out what they got. All right, guys, we got our tires, man. 315 35/18s. These are the Toyo products. Sheesh, that's pretty nice. We got some more meat on there. Got a wider tire. Got some proxies, man. Nice. I did get another set of lug nuts too, so I went ahead and got the kit for the lug nuts with the spline. All right, guys, here are the new wheels, man. I did go with the Forge Star set, but this isn't the F14s. This isn't the normal Forge Stars you'll usually see on a C7, man. These are pretty difficult to get a hold of and pretty difficult to find, so I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing, show you guys these wheels, and let me know what you guys think. And then, like I said before, look, they already got the Mexico stripes on the tires. They already know what these are for, even though I don't even go racing like that, but they already got them on here. Look at that. But I got the Toyo Proxies, man. These things are looking pretty good. Furthermore, let's do an unboxing. Here we go, guys. We got the Forge Star P5 bead locks, man. 18-inch. I believe these are like an 18 by 10.5 wheel. And if you guys don't know what the bead locks are, so you would mount the tire on this wheel, and then you would have to take this lock ring, and it goes over the front like that. You got yourself a set of bead locks. Now those should look beautiful on the C7. These are gonna look pretty damn crazy. You guys know I wasn't gonna go with no basic ass F14s or something like that. You guys know I had to step it up. If I did good on the V, I went with welds. On this, I wanted to go with these, and I think these are gonna look fucking sick, especially with these tires right here. These are gonna be badass. Got the two for the rear. I didn't want the full set. I'm not really trying to look for that. Plus, that shit is super expensive for the full set, but I really wanted the rear wheels, like I said, and these are brand new. Ordered them online. They actually came pretty fast, man. I think they shipped in like 2 days. I know at Summit and stuff like that they were on back order, so I had to wait, but there we go. Take the wheels out of the box. The reason why I'm in the vet to get it done is because I wanted to try to keep my TPMS sensors, because I hate lights on the dash or stuff like this. So I don't want no TPMS light on my dash. So I want to try to keep the TPMS sensors if possible, which are in the rear wheels. So I have to take them out of those other wheels. If we can do that, hopefully. And then it's starting to rain again, and I think we got rain all week again. So I'm trying to hurry up and get this done, put the car up, stuff like that. So I'm gonna head to the tire shop, and I'll catch you guys when we get there. Guys, we are here, man. King Wheel and Tire in Mansfield. My boy Adrian recommended to me. Some pretty nice trucks out here. We got the vet out here ready to get these wheels installed, man. So let's go see what they say. Pretty clean bike. Oh, it's got a turbocharger on it, boy. Boosted. Okay. All right, guys, we had some bad news. These tires are a little too wide for these wheels, so we're not going to be able to use these tires. I'll have to get some 305s for these wheels. Appreciate you guys helping me out, man. We tried it, but it's not going to be safe to torque them down, so we're going to have to go down a tire size, and probably got to go back to Summit and swap these tires out. But what we're going to do sucks. Appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all. Appreciate you. Yeah, shout out to y'all for trying at least, for helping me out, man. Back to Summit, man. Ain't nothing like hearing some bad news when you're trying to just get some shit done to the car, man. But these tires are a little too wide for that wheel, so I'm gonna have to go with a narrow tire. Basically, I probably a 305 35 like I was trying to go with. I think I was gonna do that, but they didn't have those in stock at Summit, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm probably gonna have to just return these and then see what we can do, because technically we didn't get to mount them. So get them back to Summit and then see what we can find. All right, guys, here we go with round 2. So now we got the Nittos, Nitto tires. I went with a 305 40. The big reason why is I'm trying to keep the wheel gap away, because I know when you put V-locks or radials, if you get a 335 or 35 tire, you'll have a big gap, and I don't want that. So these are 305 40s Nittos. So these are the new tires. They ain't got the Mexican strips on there no more, man. But these should work, hopefully. Alright, we got these tires on here way better now. He said that the other one was...
You have more space between the rim and the tire, so...
Couldn't put that lip on there?
The V-lock is not gonna fit on those.
Okay. But these are way easier, right?
Yeah. Easier.
Safer.
And more safer, and doesn't make too strange on the bolts.
On the bolts too, yeah, man. I appreciate y'all on that one. Yeah. Sorry about that hassle I gave you. Yeah, and they took the TPMS for me. Appreciate that. Good, yeah. Got enough space.
I did at the same time, right?
Yeah. Yeah, appreciate you. Shout out to you too, man, for helping me out.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yes,
Appreciate
sir.
you coming through.
King Wheel and Tires.
100.
Look at that. So the 40 doesn't look like it was too bad. The 40 actually did good, because if I would have went with 35, we would have had a fat ass gap right here. This gap is doable, especially with a radial tire. I mean, that's probably what you want right there. It doesn't poke too much, just right. Just right. Hell yeah, there we go, guys, man. Looking good. Appreciate you guys, man. Shout out to you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. We got some meat back there. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, we're looking real good now. I think it's just right, too. If we squat a little bit, we might get like maybe, but I mean, we got clearance. So,